SAP is retiring the BTP Neo environment on December 31, 2028, requiring all Neo customers to migrate to SAP BTP Multi-Cloud Foundation. RapidMigration automates this transition, cutting migration time from weeks, months to days, reducing effort by 70% while we take full ownership of delivery. Beyond Neo to Cloud Foundry migration, RapidMigration is a complete platform covering SAP Integration Suite Neo to Cloud Foundry, IaaSIPS, BTP Neo extensions, Boomi, MuleSoft, and SAP PIPO, all migrating to SAP Integration Suite. SAP BTP CPI Neo to SAP Integration Suite Migration, our core capability. RapidMigration connects to your Neo tenant, analyses existing artifacts, variables, data stores, access policies, custom content, key stores, PGP keys, etc., and migrates them to Cloud Foundry Integration Suite with full status tracking. Every path follows the same philosophy. Analyze first, migrate with full visibility, verify after, never a black box. Getting started is simple. The user guide walks you through exactly how the application works, from connecting your tenants to executing your first migration, so your team can get up to speed without any guesswork. The project planning feature helps you track and manage your migration activities directly within RapidMigration. You can create and track migration tasks, monitor their progress, and keep visibility of what has been completed and what is still pending, giving your team a clear view of the overall migration journey. Next is our Neo versus Cloud Foundry comparison view. This gives you a side-by-side picture of your current Neo environment against your target Cloud Foundry environment. So before migrating anything, you know exactly what exists today and what your target landscape looks like. This helps you plan the migration with full visibility rather than going in blind. Before migrating, you need a clear picture of what's actually in your Neo environment. The Neo Tenant Analysis Dashboard summarizes your source content, packages, data stores, variables, certificates, value mappings, access policies, and more at a glance. The deployment status view shows what's deployed versus undeployed, so you know what's truly active before deciding what to migrate. Sender-receiver distribution charts break down your integration flows by source and target systems, mapping your Neo landscape structure. All analysis runs on your live Neo CPI tenant, giving you the confidence to plan your migration, with export available for the tenant analysis data. When you're ready to migrate, each migration tile, variables, data stores, access policies, custom content, connects to your Neo tenant and fetches artifacts in real time into a table. Select the items you want and click Migrate. RapidMigration recreates those artifacts on your Cloud Foundry tenant and shows full migration status for every item. The same straightforward pattern applies across all object types, keeping the process consistent and easy to follow. After migration, RapidMigration provides a post-migration comparison, letting your team verify every artifact landed successfully on Cloud Foundry, with deployment status confirmed. This gives you confidence that your Cloud Foundry environment is a true working reflection of your original Neo setup. With RapidMigration, what used to be a complex, manual, multi-week migration effort becomes a guided, transparent, and trackable process, giving you everything you need to move from Neo to Cloud Foundry with confidence, well ahead of the sunset deadline. We automate migration and reduce migration effort from months/weeks to days with 100% automation.
TechEnvo.com to schedule a free demo.